मेरा अपना भी यूट्यूब चैनल है। दुनिया किसके हवाले, जिस दुनिया ने हमको संभाला उसको कौन संभाले। दुनिया किसके हवाले, जिस दुनिया ने हमको संभाला उसको कौन संभाले।
All these things are made by waste material like this. This is a pen holder made by ice cream sticks that we usually throw after eating ice cream. We had made a pen holder with this to make our home more organized. This is a pinhole camera which is made by butter paper and cardboard. This is also a pen stand made by newspaper rolls. Thank you. Hello everyone, we have a filtration model or structure, and this is rocks, sand and pebbles and snow like cotton that is used for clean drinking water. So this is the water which is recycled by the filtration process. Like this is plastic and this is also waste material. So we have used to describe this filtration diagram by showing this type of waste material. All this structure is made up of cardboard and used to show that we can filter our water without an aquaguard.
अपने कदम बढ़ा, किसने छोटी छोटी बातों से एक बड़ी बात बनाई है। सबकी सांसों में जान आ जाए बदलेगी, इन छोटे छोटे हाथों में भी मिलकर ये नई हवा।
And a very warm welcome to all of you in the campus of Shri Guru Har Krishna International School. I award a very warm welcome to all the guests and the students and teachers from other schools for a very important and a very relevant workshop today. And the workshop is zero wastage workshop, and this workshop is organized by CEEW, and I just came to know about the full form of this, and this is Council on Energy, Environment and Water. Am I right, Sharda ma'am? The usage of plastic, because this is a pious way, this is a very much needed thing. In this way we are going to help the Mother Earth. So once again, welcome to all of you on behalf of the entire fraternity of my school, the management of Shri Guru Har Krishna International School. I accord a warm welcome to all of you once again. Now, because we are already 30 minutes late, so let's start the program, and I'm handing over to Ma'am Shanta. Thank you.
जब
get down to some operational. It is on behalf of our guests and organizers, I would like to request outside the hall in case in any emergency, any names incorrectly, and I sincerely appreciate your understanding for this need. So, today, as we take our crucial step forward by extending the principles of cleanliness and waste reduction into the hearts of our society, that's our schools. And our schools are not just the centers of learning, they are hub of innovation, enlightenment and transformation. By introducing the values of environment
with the leaders of today and with the leaders of tomorrow who are going to be leaders, champions of tomorrow. I work as a chief of party for Cleaner Air and Better Health project, and this Cleaner Air and Better Health project, it is supported by United States Agency for International Development, USAID, basically to tackle the air pollution in the country. So we basically work to strengthen the air pollution mitigation and how we can reduce the exposure to air pollution through creating various innovations and models in the country. And if we are able to do that as a part of our whole, and if you all become champions of that, and I believe that you all will become champions of that actually in coming future. So what it will result to us? One of the very important aspects that I say, if we are able to manage waste, it is going to have an environmental protection in front of us.
Very good, very good. That's not right. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Good, good. Sounds better.
कौन संभाले दुनिया किसके हवाले जिस दुनिया ने हमको संभाला उसको कौन संभाले दुनिया किसके हवाले जिस दुनिया ने हमको संभाला वो है अपने हवाले
fellowship, and then these students are among the winners of that fellowship, and that's what motivated us to start this whole program called Zero Waste School Program, and we are doing it in Ludhiana and Amritsar, and you guys are the new batch of, or I would say our main batch of the official Zero Waste School Program, and this is some of our photos that we have done. This is one we did it as a launch of the school program, the first photo. I think some of the students would have students from each school, 5 students, and you are the ambassador for this whole program. Are we the ambassador? Are you guys the ambassador? Yes, sir. I don't think you guys are motivated. Are you guys the ambassador? Yes, sir. That's the thing. The first step is build a team. You already have a team. Then it's important to procure necessary equipment. आपके gloves वो हम पूरा proper demonstrate करेंगे इसके बाद. But जो necessary equipments है उसको audit को करने के लिए we need those equipments.
आप में से कोई जो पोस्टर में गर्ल है उसके तरह ही आप सामने से लीड करने वाले हो ये पूरे प्रोग्राम को, और इस प्रोग्राम से आप ना सिर्फ अपने स्कूल को हेल्प कर रहे हो, ना सिर्फ एनवायरनमेंट को हेल्प कर रहे हो, यू विल ऑल्सो बी हेल्पिंग द अथॉरिटीज, द वेस्ट कलेक्टर्स, who are really in the heat of things largely. So we expect all of you to take the lead from front. मतलब छाती तान के एकदम proudly बोलिए कि हाँ मैं waste audit मुझे आता है ये इसके. और before we move up, आप लोग का जोश थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है. So before the waste audit,
God our champions and leaders for change.
You will make a stand.
Oh, उसकी दुनिया ये खेले
Are you ready, guys? Wonderful.
हमको संभाला उसको कौन संभाले दुनिया किसके हवाले
कुछ ऐसे मैसेज हमारे समाज में आ गए, हमने उनको फॉलो करना शुरू कर दिया. वेस्ट से एक मैसेज आया, वो एक कारपोरेट का डिजाइन था कि जितनी खपत होगी उतनी हमें और फायदा होगा और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बढ़ेगी. वो स्लोगन क्या था? यूज एंड थ्रो. और इसके यूज एंड थ्रो ने हमारी ये जमीन जो है उसको लिटर कर दिया है. जिधर जिधर देखते हैं प्लास्टिक.
What was the second thing there? What are the necessary put the waste, okay, and also sorter. So with this we will sort the different kind of waste. So what all things we have required? Necessary equipment. Okay, we have step. We will give you like detailed step. But mask, but why is it important? Just because it is written there. वहाँ पे लिखा है. Do you think it is important? Mask is important. Why mask is important? 100%. You can go in the mouth also. Okay. Why the type of waste? Paper, food, vegetables. You can list down what all types of waste that are generated. This is just generated there. Total waste, rate of waste, and source. We'll mention here what all different things are waste. We can get the waste. I will just need 5 people, 5 to 6 people who want to volunteer. We'll mix of it. Maybe one from here, one you. Maybe. What does sorter means? Who will sort the waste? Okay. The second role is who will weigh the matter. Okay. Then the third role, who will add this here? Who is the recorder? And there is fourth one, which is who will supervise. Okay? Okay, we can get the waste. So come forward, those who volunteer, you can come forward. Each number? No. Okay. So these two are sorters, these two are our sorters. So you guys can come. And let me give you this sorting process. You can be the supervisor. So what's the role of a supervisor? To ensure, I will tell you what is the role of a supervisor also. And no, who is the supervisor? You are the supervisor. You will ensure that everything that is coming from there is going in the right. Okay? Show the names also. What's the name? Food and waste. So what would it do? All the food and waste, vegetable waste should go in this poly. Okay? You can use different things. You can use a container. You can use a poly, which is this is a high quality poly. You can use it. So all the food waste will go on this. All the aluminium will go in this. All the paper will go there. there is horticulture, and we have one more category we kept it as others. Okay, you can go. So,
आधा भी डाल दीजिए, आधा थोड़ा सेंटर में,
हाँ, बीच में डाल दीजिए,
मिक्स की डाल दीजिए।
What we will do, just as these are paper, where should it go? We add it, we put this waste in the right category of thing. It can be a bin, it can be a poly, anything, okay? You can put in a big container also, we have a lot of waste. So let's start with food and vegetable, okay? So anything that is food and vegetable, let's put it, so we would need one more person who is ensuring that we are adding it here. Who wanna do it? You already is the, what's your role? Okay. I have different type of waste ready. So we can keep it like this. We can keep it like this. Great. Aluminium किधर है? What is that? Yeah. Just help them out. Where is the paper waste? This is paper waste. Exactly. So you have to ensure that it is going in the right one. This is paper. Where is the plastic? Okay.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है पेपर के साथ कुछ मिक्स हुआ है तो आप उसको रिसाइकिल करने में आपको प्रॉब्लम आए, इसीलिए सेग्रीगेट और वेस्ट, ठीक है? दिख नहीं रहा है सॉर्टर है, वो आ जाओ।
आपने देखा कि हमने पहले ब्लू कलर का बड़ा वाला डब्बा लेकर आए, उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा हुआ था, किसने देखा होगा? किसने नोटिस किया? तो हमारे डिफरेंट सोर्सेज से वेस्ट आ रहा है, जैसे प्लास्टिक से आएगा, पेंटिंग से आएगा, और कहाँ से आता है? और कहाँ से वेस्ट है? वॉशरूम और कहाँ से वेस्ट है?
Just imagine this class. $395 kgs. 395 kgs. 395 kg. So it is about 400 grams. This is our paper waste. Show everyone. You know, I just put your hand. Just like this.
What is the amount of waste we are depleting?
395 kg.
So let's see. This is paper. Okay.
किसी को कोई भी डाउट? एनी डाउट?
आप ये चीज अपने क्लास में सबको बताइए.
अभी कोई कौन की सब्ट्रैक्शन करेगा?
हाँ, एनालाइजर.
तो अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? दिस इज द वाई, एक्स एंड वाई इज होगा, समझ में आ रहा है? वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द वेट ऑफ द पॉली बैग फ्रॉम द वेस्ट, जो हमारे वेस्ट का वेट था, ठीक है? तो जेट की एक्चुअल वेस्ट क्या था? क्योंकि अभी जो हमने पॉली